You receive a batch of PCBA boards with defective units. When you consult the SMT factory, they simply reply, "It may be a solder paste issue. We'll pay more attention next time." Yet the exact same defect occurs again in the next shipment. Any quality issue resolution without root cause analysis is just a perfunctory fix. At Shenzhen Newei Industrial, we adopt a formal 8D process for every quality complaint you raise. D1. Establish the team. D2. Describe the problem. D3. Implement containment actions. D4. Conduct root cause analysis. D5. Develop permanent corrective actions. D6. Verify effectiveness. D7. Prevent recurrence. D8. Conclude and file records. Every step is assigned with clear responsible persons, time schedules, and verified data. We welcome all your quality feedback, as it helps us continuously optimize our quality management system. If you focus on full closure of quality issues, message us with 8D. We will send you a desensitized 8D report template to show you our rigorous problem-solving mechanism.